Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Teleprompter for Instagram Reels. So let's get straight into the video. So if you haven't already downloaded the Instagram Edits app, simply go ahead and download it from your Play Store or App Store, depending on the device you're using. And then you want to simply go ahead and click on Create a Video, just like that. I'm going to simply go ahead and turn the camera for now. All right, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and access the tools. So in the Instagram Edits app, there is going to be a teleprompter or the script icon that you want to simply go ahead and click on. Simply go ahead and paste your script here. So it could be anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and let's say, all right, there you go, there you go, there you go. Now, if I click on done, now, if I start recording, as you can see, it goes exactly like a teleprompter. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.